In today's video, I want to talk about a brand that's making over $60,000 per month selling finance books. And then I want to talk about another brand that makes $800 a day selling finance books, so over 21K a month. So we're going to go through how they did it and then how you can achieve similar results. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Jay and I run Destiny Manifest with my sibling and business partner T. We make videos to help you manifest your dream life through manifestation techniques, mindset reprogramming. We do some decoding of popular culture and stuff too. And we also teach business models to help increase your cash flow so that you can achieve financial freedom in this 3D matrix known as life. If you enjoy videos like these, please hit the subscribe button and join the fam. We're so grateful for everyone who's been jumping on. And we love each and every one of you guys, sending you guys all the best energy, all the good energy. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. I know YouTube can be kind of wonky where if we upload something, not all of our subscribers will see it unless you hit the bell, so make sure you do. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So like I mentioned before, today I want to talk about the finance book niche. You may assume that because the finance niche is very highly competitive, it must be incredibly saturated because it's such a large niche. But that's incorrect. There are people who have found their target audience and have really niched down as much as possible into the sub-niches. When you do this, you can go from a broad or a main niche with 1 million readers, let's say, into a smaller niche that maybe only has 500 or 5 million readers, and that's still a lot of potential buyers. So that means you can still make some really good money. So what kind of finance books are these that I'm talking about today, and why are they doing so well? To start, the exact niche is the cryptocurrency niche. Why are they doing so well? Well, if you're interested in investing, you are most likely aware that cryptocurrency is being called the future of money. Bitcoin and many altcoins have reached their all-time highs just recently. And there's a lot of buzz around coins that were previously considered to be a bit of a joke in the crypto community, like Dogecoin. And that's thanks to Elon Musk. It's doing better than ever. Bitcoin itself is headed to 100K a piece after years of suffering all-time lows. So it's really no surprise that people now want to know more about it and how to invest in it and other coins. I think they hopefully want to become the next crypto millionaires. Also, I'd say thanks to the lockdowns, more people are searching for books like these because many people have either lost their jobs or they're working from home and they have extra time to do some research, or they're in fear of losing their job. So it makes sense that people are looking for more secure ways of sustaining their income or increasing their income. Also, because so few people are traveling during these times, the news has basically been saying that many people have money in their bank accounts and don't really have anywhere to spend it, right? So now they figure they might as well put it somewhere where it's going to grow, like in investments. That's why I believe the finance sub-niche is booming right now, because people are trying to learn more about it while the interest is growing and while these cryptocurrencies are growing in value. The finance and investing niches, they are evergreen. They're not going anywhere. Years ago, people thought that crypto was just a trend. Or even worse, I remember when the news was perpetuating that crypto was a scam. They called it worse than gambling. Well, look what's happening now. Clearly, that's not true, and clearly it's here to stay. That's why these books are doing so well, and that's why they're going to do so well even years from now. That said, not every cryptocurrency book will make money. It's great to know what niche is profitable, but you actually have to create high quality books. That's the foundation of a strong self-publishing business at the end of the day. So let's dive into some of the books that I found. So the first search that I did was Bitcoin books for beginners, and it was pretty competitive at 3,000 results, as you can see here. So I changed my wording and searched for cryptocurrency books for beginners. And that gave me 481 results, so well under 1,000 results, which is awesome. That means it's a lot less competitive, and that means that there's a lot of room for new publishers to get in and make their money too. So I went down this list. On the first page, I went down all the books and everything, and I saw that there's quite a lot of them that have high reviews, like 600. This one has 500. We can keep going. Yeah, 500, 400, 700. Like, there's a lot of really good high quality books on the first page. And that is awesome. And they also have low BSRs, so like 5,000, 3,000, 78,000. So you know that they're making way more than one sale a day. And that's what we want. We want books that have consistent sales, that are low competition, and that are in high demand. So one book that stood out to me was actually this one. It has the bestseller badge here. It has 1,800 plus ratings, mostly 5 stars. And this is the book, guys. This is the book that makes $60,000 a month. How does it do that? Well, in paperbacks, it makes about 48K a month. And then in ebooks, it makes 10,000 plus per month. And then that doesn't even include the audiobook. Like, I don't even know how much they make in audio. All I know for sure is that with their hardcovers and their Kindles alone, this guy makes $60,000 a month. So I found that to be like mind-boggling. I never would have believed it if I didn't see it myself and research it myself. And yeah, I do want to say that when choosing a book niche to write in, it's important to know who your competitors are and whether you're willing to accept that most potential buyers are going to go with the author who's established, who has the most reviews. And that's because people base a lot of their buying decisions on reviews, since they act as social proof that a book is good. So do keep that in mind. When you're just starting out with your publishing business, you're probably not going to have any reviews on your books. So as long as you do accept that they are going to get the bulk of the sales, at least at first, if you still want to compete, I would definitely say that it's worth it and to go for it, as long as you do your research and you're in a good niche. That's the main thing, because I'm going to show you a book that is doing amazing, and it just came out this year, and it's competing with this book. So it's this one here. It's called A Beginner's Guide to Bitcoin. It has 700 reviews, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on it for you guys. This guy is doing so well. So the first thing I want to do with this book is I want to go to this author's author page. You can see that he created an author page, which is incredibly important when you're trying to brand. And so we're just going to see what his author page is looking like. Now, one of the first things you might notice about this author is that he's actually created quite a few books, not only in the finance niche, but in his sub-niche, which is investing. You'll notice that his book covers look quite similar too. He's done this on purpose. This is all part of his branding, and it's very smart. It makes him stand out in his niche so that when you go through a page in the financing sub-niche, his books are going to jump right out at you. All of his covers go together really nicely, even in a purely visual sense. So his stock market book is #1 bestseller. His guide to Bitcoin is doing incredibly well too. He's got a dividends book, day trading. So he's been on this for a minute now. And he most likely, has a fan base at this point as well. Anyways, I only calculated a few of his books, and paperbacks alone, he was making 21K per month according to my calculations, and that is over $800 a day. There's so much opportunity in self-publishing with Amazon, even in 2021. But who knows how long this opportunity is going to last? If you haven't already and you're looking for passive income streams, definitely consider book publishing. We have a free course on our channel if you want to get started with low content books, which are also very profitable. And we also have an advanced course where we break down our personal strategies and tips that work for us when it comes to publishing higher content books like the ones that I showed you. I hope you found value and inspiration in this video, and I hope that you take action today so that you can create your dream life and get out of the rat race. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and a chance to win a year-long Book Vault subscription, plus other goodies when we reach our first 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Keep jumping on the channel, guys. We have a special video coming out for you, purely entertainment, but it's going to be really fun. And yeah, look forward to that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.